So I'm installing the road active suspension on a 2025 AT4 1500. E-trailer's saying that it won't work on a 2025. It'll work on the 24 and older AT4s, and it'll work on the 2025 SLT, the other trim models, but not the AT4. I put it on. I can't for the life of me see why they're saying that it is not going to work for a 2025 AT4. It's nowhere near any of the brake components. I mean, that's part of the axle. It's not moving with the leaf springs. This right here, this brake module. So it's not anywhere near that. It's not near any brake lines. I've got it only tightened up to the white clip, not the black clip. But anybody see anything that makes it look like it might not be able to work? Just trying to get rid of some of the sag when I tow light. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick this one on, take it for a drive, see if there's anything. Luckily with my my offset wheels, I can just install it with the wheels on. It took about 5 minutes to do that side, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the other side on. Let me know what you think.